In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your text size appear smaller on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says text size. And then this text size bar, just drag it all the way to the left side or just drag it further to the left, adjusting it based on the preview size up here. Select apply to confirm or save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.